If you've ever thought about getting reverse osmosis water at home but didn't want to mess with plumbing or installation, this might be your kind of setup. This is the Simpure Y7T-A countertop RO water filter. The big win here is there's no installation. You literally plug it in, you fill it up, flush it a couple times and you're good to go. There's no drilling or no under the sink drama. It runs through a 5-stage filtration system, which means it's designed to reduce a wide range of impurities from your tap water. Does it waste a ton of water like other RO systems? Well, this one has a 4:1 pure to drain ratio, which is actually more efficient than older RO setups. The water taste is clean, it's smooth, and slightly alkaline thanks to the pH plus balance feature, so it doesn't have that flat strip taste some filters give. It's compact enough for a kitchen counter and feels like a simple way to upgrade your daily water without turning your house into a do-it-yourself project. So, if you want filtered water without the install headache, this is a pretty convenient option. If you want to get your hands on this product, go ahead and click on the link in the description below. And hit that subscribe button and never miss a review.